Today's modern common rail diesel engines have many benefits. For example, reduced fuel economy, plus reduced fire hazard. Compact light closed cooling system gives you a longer engine life. This is an inboard feature, and every part has been tested for a long time in dyno test zones.
Integrated fuel supply and filter with no return lines, and this is an inboard feature.
With 20 years of experience as mechanic, you appreciate the easy access of the service point. Oil filter, fuel filter, impeller pump.
The OXE Diesel complies with the NATO Single Fuel Directive for diesel fuel, which will become effective after 2014.
It has been undergoing extensive tests over several years in order to validate product functionality and performance.
The beauty of using self-contained belt propulsor unit concept is that we can utilize the engine from the car manufacturer industry that complies with all the rules and regulations of the car industry and marinize it to an inboard unit that we use as the heart of our unit. The OXE Diesel is the first self-contained belt propulsor unit on the market.